Also tonight, a new lawsuit over a worker's death from the coronavirus, and it likely will not be the last. KPIX 5's Betty Yu on the legal protections for employees who put their health on the line for their jobs. Betty?
Ken, as the number of coronavirus-related employee deaths grows, so does anxiety among essential workers. A San Francisco law firm says in the last 2 weeks, they've received several calls from employees who don't have enough protective gear and are exploring legal action.
A lot of people are afraid. They're really afraid. They're afraid of losing their income. They're afraid of losing their jobs, and they're afraid of making sure that their family are protected from getting COVID.
Maria Bourne handles employment law at a San Francisco firm that is getting more calls from frontline workers, including nurses and grocery store workers. Most of them say they were fired or retaliated against for saying they felt unsafe at work.
Under California, you have the right to make a protected complaint to say, look, I don't feel safe, and not face termination. And if you are terminated or retaliated against, you have the right to bring a claim against your employer.
The family of a Walmart worker, Wando Evans, who died of complications from COVID-19 in the Chicago area, is now suing the retailer, accusing managers of ignoring his symptoms and failing to let colleagues know he may have contracted the coronavirus. The wrongful death lawsuit also names Philip Thomas, another employee at the store who died 4 days later.
I kept seeing on the news that I felt like they were making my brother a number. He's not a number, he's a person. He was a very good guy. He worked at Walmart for 9 years. He had lots of friends there. They were devastated as well as we are.
The sister of Philip Thomas said for weeks her brother and his co-workers worked without masks or gloves. There was no enforced social distancing at the time and inadequate paid leave to make sure people weren't going to work sick. Walmart said in a statement that it was heartbroken to learn of the passing of 2 associates. It has also taken action across the country to reinforce its cleaning and sanitizing measures. It installed sneeze guards at registers and limited the number of customers in a store at a given time. Ken?